Hi there, I'm Yemi, and we will be taking a good look at vlookup in a more complex way. Let's look at this data here on this spreadsheet. It is a daily sales of a company called Nice High Tech, and this is the date of the sales, Monday to Saturday, and the total. Then there's the sales, and that is the cost and the profit. It would be easy if we just have this data as small as this. If you want to get a sales on Wednesday, we can just go there and Wednesday says $7,666. If you want to go to profit on Friday, we just get down here 8,820. But a situation whereby you have about thousands or millions of data, that might not be possible, or might be difficult to get a data out. In that situation, we might get them out through a formula called vlookup. And before then, let's quickly create a dashboard, a drop-down menu to make this video more interactive. Let's go to data and data validation. We want to create a list, a drop-down list. Okay, let's go to the source. This is the list we want to create, Monday to Saturday. So there's a list. The list is created already. It's a drop-down menu, Monday to. Let's do the same thing to the row, so that I will make the video more interesting and more interactive. List, and this is source list. Sorry, that's it. Then we have it down. There's a date. Let's look for Thursday and look for sales on Thursday, for instance. Sales on Thursday. So let's put it here. I'm gonna write our formula, which equals to press the tab. Okay, vlookup. Let's just examine the parameters here. There are about 4 parameters: the lookup value, the table array, column index, and the range to look up. The lookup value, what are we looking up? We were looking for the sales on Thursday. So let's have it's a Thursday, and let's put comma. And the next parameter is the table array. Where are we looking for this data? Here in this table. So let's just get the table highlighted. That's table, comma. Column index number. What is the column index number? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 columns here. Then we are looking for column number 2. So we just need to put 2 there, then comma. Here there is this the logic. It's if we want exact match, it's gonna be false, but if you want approximate match, it's gonna be true. In this situation, we want exact match, so we go to exact match and I put let's press tab and that's first, then let's enter it. You see on Thursday, the sales on Thursday is 9,867. Let's try to check the sales on Monday, 3,421. On Saturday, 9,978. Let's look for total sales. I said 42,686. Now let's try to check the cost on, let's say, cost on let's say on Wednesday. Cost on Wednesday, you will realize that it's not gonna change. Cost on Wednesday, you see it remains unchanged. So the only way we can get the cost on Wednesday is to do two things. First, to change the column index from 2 to 3 if you're looking for the cost on Tuesday. If you're looking for the profit, we change to 4. So let's try that now. Let's go to the formula again. Let's just change this to, let's say, 3 for cost. You see the cost on Wednesday is 2,892. But there are something that we can do to make this, change any hour if we want to change any time, and that is to match it with to insert another formula with the vlookup. In this situation, there is a formula called match. Instead of putting the 3 there, match will do the work. Let's just put match, and the parameter for match is, there are 3 parameters. Unlike the vlookup, you have lookup value, then lookup array. In case of lookup, you have a vlookup, you have a table array, but here in this is that you have row array. Lookup array is a row or column. And let's just say lookup value here, we want to see the cost, lookup value, comma, then lookup array, we want to see from here, comma, then we want exact match. If you want to exact match, there are 3. If you want less than is 1, if you want exact match 0, then you want greater than is -1. So in this case, we want exact match, put 0 there and close the bracket. Let's see. You see what I was saying to you. This is 2,892. Now let's try to change the cost, sales or date. Profit on Wednesday. Profit on Wednesday 4,774. Profit. Cost on Wednesday. Let's go up and check on Thursday. As is cost on Thursday 4,900. 900 on Tuesday. Cost on Tuesday 2,319. Let's see on Tuesday 5,000. And profit on Tuesday 2,681. So that is all about that. This is how powerful vlookup can go. In our next video, we'll be discussing HLOOKUP. Thank you.